Yo guys, I'm very happy because Bitcoin is going down, and I've been saying already since 2 weeks ago that Bitcoin is going down, and I've been taking a lot of profits, and right now I love it when a plan comes together. Still need my cigar for Hannibal Smith. But yeah guys, I'm actually very pleased to see this price action on Bitcoin because we have been very much anticipating a dump, and when Bitcoin was pumping, like I said in other videos, it really looked like a fool because people saying like, no, Bitcoin is going to 50k or maybe 55 or you name it. But right now Bitcoin is just going down, and all of my take profits, which happened actually up high in this range and like partly in this wick, not the exact top, but like quite high right here. They are all right now in profit, so I'm very much happy with that action. And today's video, guys, we're gonna keep it lightly. I'm going to go with you over some charts and yeah, tell you what I think is going to happen for Bitcoin in the next coming weeks, days, months ahead. So guys, let's jump straight into it. So when we look at Bitcoin, we can see that we lost the 40k level. Well, that's a level that I've also been pointing out. If we lose that level, big problems, guys. Because this was the previous 60-day cycle low, which means that we right now have a failed 60-day cycle. And most likely we will going to set a new low at least till the beginning of February. So this price actually looks for me extremely bearish. Also this rising wedge formation that we broke out to the upside, also known as a running wedge, right now broke back into this wedge. That is also really not that bullish at all, guys, because things can happen rather quickly whenever this happens. And it was actually beautiful over on Will Portal. If you would go to Will Portal right here and you would bring out the heat map that we have, then you can also see, even go if you go to short-term time frames, like I've also mentioned in my videos, like you gotta see the intensity of red. When the intensity of red increases, there's more potential downside, right? So here we have very beautiful, the intensity of red is decreasing, but we don't see any upside. It's increasing, bam, we go down. Increasing, bam, we go down. So right now it's a little bit low intensity. But yeah, once this is increasing again, bam, we most likely go down. So very beautiful indicator, guys, right here on the Will Portal. And I would definitely urge you guys to, for every single one of you, to start using this, at least to know how this works as well. Because look at how beautiful this indicator just has been predicting all the price moves. Like, this can give you so much confidence. Like, when everyone is bullish, you can just be like, yeah, well, I still think this is a very beautiful time to take profits. And that's exactly what we've been saying in the past couple of weeks. I've made a lot of videos. I hope you guys listen to it. Although I got a lot of sour comments in the comment section that Bitcoin only can go up. Of course, that's not from you, that's from other people. But yeah, I'm very happy now in hindsight, of course, that I've sold like a big chunk of my portfolio. We actually did it even perfect because Bitcoin came up. We flipped half of it to Ethereum. Ethereum went up, so we actually gained also quite a bit on that one. Then sold a big chunk, and now everything is going down. And it's not only Bitcoin that's going down, it's all the altcoins too. So if you want to buy altcoins in the past, if you were interested in buying altcoins in the past, then you should be cheering for this, guys. Cheering. Ethereum is looking pretty ugly, guys. Also, like rising wedge formation, break out to the upside, break back down. Don't really like what I'm seeing here. But this chart, and this is also the chart that I've been using for that prediction, we have this falling. This is actually a pretty dangerous chart if you just ask me, because this is a falling wedge, break down, move sideways, break back into the wedge. We could have some resistance at the middle of the channel, but right now we broke above the middle of the channel as well. I think, guys, just based on this chart, I've been saying already for weeks, this can shoot up straight to the resistance, which means Bitcoin back at 28 or 30 or 26k. That is that, and even shoot up, test this resistance, and then maybe come down. So for now, this is looking extremely bullish. Also, all the momentum indicators, look at this. Wow, this is all looking very bullish. Like, yeah, this is just not looking good for Bitcoin, as there is an inverse correlation, right? So I just want this to play out. Let this wave go over. Take a couple of months, take it easy, because I think January, February, and March won't be that explosive, as at least not to the upside. It might be a little bit explosive to the downside. I'm going to take it easy with my taking profits. I'm not going to run them directly back into Bitcoin right now. Like I also said, I want to have a very nice, better data profile on Will Portal, which can give me a nice risk to reward ratio again. So yeah, that is basically what I'm doing right now. So I might take some time off February and March, because I don't think it's too exciting, too interesting. It's always interesting to build. That's why I'm going to put my full attention, of course, on Will Portal, because this has helped us to know when to take profits and so on. So definitely a good time to build, but it's not the best time to be mega long in the financial or cryptocurrency markets. Financial markets, doubtful, but like I said in yesterday's video, guys, I do like the setup of PayPal. So I bought PayPal yesterday, and I'm going to hold this for at least a couple of at least 1 year, and at least 1 year, because I'm going to check, at least 1 year I'm going to hold this, especially on the weekly time frame. For me, this is just looking very good. Nice breakouts, and in 1 year I'm expecting at least my investment to double, if not triple. And people asked me yesterday, what about the 16-year cycle? Yes, I know the 16-year cycle is very bearish, but if the 16-year cycle plays out, we most likely get a very big blow off top from every market out there. Right, so that will also mean a blow off top right here in PayPal, maybe even surpass the previous highs. I'm bullish because this chart is looking good. I like to be a little bit diversified, and I have the privilege right now because I just took a lot of profits on Bitcoin, and I didn't get stuck. And I'm pretty proud of myself, guys, because I didn't get stuck in the emotional vibe right here, and I was strong enough to take profits, which normally is one of my bigger weaknesses, because it's very difficult for me to take profits. Guys, that was it for today's video. I love you all very much. Have a great day, and I'll see all of you in the next video.